Dear students, I am your maths teacher from Paramount Public School, Jima. Beta, yesterday we have completed exercise 4.1 of rational numbers. Today we will continue our next exercise 4.2. Question first is, express each of the following as a rational number with positive denominator. Means we have given some rational number. We want to change the sign of their denominator from negative to positive. Okay. Now look here. We want to change the sign, beta. So whenever you want to change the sign of numerator or denominator, then you have to multiply numerator and denominator of the rational number with minus 1. With minus 1. Keep in mind, because we want to change the sign, if we multiply the rational number with minus, then automatically its sign will be changed. Now look here. I want to change, now here the denominator is minus 28. I want to change it into plus 28. So simply multiply numerator and denominator both with minus 1. You know, you have studied in the lesson second fraction, we have to multiply numerator and denominator with same number. Okay. So now 15 multiply 1 is 15. You know very well, minus multiply minus, it will be changed into plus, and 28 multiply 1, 28. Similarly, minus multiply minus, change into plus. Understood? So very easily you can change the sign of denominator as well as a numerator. Now here we want to change the sign of only denominator. That is our question. Okay. Now second part of that is 6 upon minus 9. Now I want to change minus 9 into plus 9. Same like the previous, multiply numerator as well as denominator with minus 1. With minus 1. Now beta 6 multiply 1, 6. When plus multiply minus, sign will be minus. And 9 multiply 1, 9. Minus multiply minus plus. Now our denominator is in a positive sign. Understood? In that way you can change the sign. Okay. Similarly, solve the other parts of first. Try by yourself. Third part is minus 28 upon minus 11. And fourth part is 19 upon minus 7. Try these two parts by yourself. Same like the first and second part, multiply numerator and denominator with minus 1. Understood, beta? Yes, beta, your question second is, express 3 upon 5 as a rational number with numerator 6. Now, beta, look here. What is the numerator here? 3 is the numerator. I want to change 3 into 6. You know very well how can I change 3 into 6, beta? 3 multiply by 2. 3 multiply by 2. With the same number you have to multiply denominator. 5 multiply 2. So 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. Okay, that is your answer. Now your numerator of 3.5 is 6. Clear? And beta, second part of that question is minus 15. Now I have the number, same number 3.5. I want to change 3 into minus 15. You know very well how can I change 3 into 15? 3 multiply by 5. Understood? 15. It will be plus 15. I want here minus 15. So here 3 multiply with minus 5. Similarly, you have to multiply 5 with minus 5. Okay. So 3 multiply 5, 15. and sign will be here minus. Understood beta? 5 multiply minus 5 minus 25. Clear? In that way you can change the desired numerator. Understood? Keep in mind one step, with what number you are multiplying numerator, with same number you have to multiply denominator also. Clear? Now try other parts by yourself. Beta, third part of second question is 21 and fourth part is minus 27. In third part you have to change numerator into 21, means you have to change 3 into 21, and in fourth part you have to change 3 into minus 27. I am sure you will be solve these two parts very easily. Yes beta, these are the next questions. Question third, same as like the question second. Question third, express 5 upon 7 as a rational number with denominator minus 14. Here denominator is 7. You want to change 7 into minus 14. Clearly 7 multiply by minus 2 and 5 also you have to multiply with minus 2. Similarly, second, third and fourth part you can solve. And question fourth, express 3 upon 4 as a rational number with denominator 20. Now what is the denominator here beta? 4. I want to change 4 into 20. So I have to multiply 4 by 5. So 4 multiply 5, and similarly 3 you also have to multiply 3 with 5. Understood? Similarly try other parts. And fifth question, express 2 upon 5 as a rational number with numerator minus 56. So here numerator is beta 2, and you want to change 2 into 56. So with what number you have to multiply 2? With the 28. And here is minus 56, so you have to multiply 2 with the minus 28 and 5 also with minus 28. Similarly try second, third and fourth part. All the questions third, fourth and fifth same as like the question second. I am sure you can easily solve these parts. Clear beta? Yes beta, your next question is question sixth. Express minus 192 upon 108 as a rational number with the numerator 64. Now beta, here the numerator is minus 192. I want to change 192 into 64. Now look, 192, forget about the sign. 192 is greater than 64, means I have to change greatest number into smallest number. So I have to divide 192 with any number to get 64. So my first step is, with what number 192 is divided to get 64. How I find that number? Now beta, you know that division is converse of multiplication. Now from here I will find that number. With what number I multiply 64 to get 192? Now if I multiply 64 with 3, then it is equal to 192. 64 multiply 3, 192, and 192 divided by 3, it will be 64. So I have to divide 192 with the 3. 192 with the 3. And here beta minus 192. And I want plus 64. So 192 is divided by minus 3. Okay, because minus will be changed into plus. Similarly 108 is divided by minus 3. Understood? So 192 minus 192 divided by minus 3, it is 64. and 108 divided by minus 3, it is minus 36. Understood? Now your numerator is 64. That is your answer. I am again repeating how will you find that number? You will find from here 64 multiply with what number to get 192? Now 64 multiply 3 192, that means 192 divided by 3 will be 64. Understood? Yes, beta, second part of that, I want to change numerator into minus 16. Now numerator is minus 192. I want to change 192 into 16. So I, same like the first part, with what number 192 is divided to get 16? We will find from here. 16 is multiplied with what number to get 192? Now 16 tens are 160. I want 192. That means the number must be greater than 10, with which I multiply 16 to get 192. So if I multiply 16 with 12, it will be 192. Okay. Better check the only last digit. Last digit is 2. 6 2s are 12. Last digit will be 2. So it may be 12. So 16 multiplied 12 is 192. And 192 divided by 12 will be 16. So beta, we will divide 192 by 12. Similarly, 108 is also divided by 12. Understood? Now 192 if divided by 12, it is minus 16. And 12 nines are 108. 108 divided by 12 is 9. This is your answer. Clear, beta? Now two parts of that question is pending. You have to try these two parts by yourself. Third part is 32. And fourth part is, beta, minus 48. Here you have to change numerator, that is 192 into 32, and here you have to change numerator into minus 48. Proceed like the first and second part and solve these two pending parts. Understood, beta? Yes, beta. Question 7th and 8th are same as like the question 6th. Express question 7th, express 168 upon minus 294 as a rational number with denominator 14. Now here, beta, denominator is 294 and here is 14. You want to change greatest number into smallest one. So you have to divide. With what number you have to divide 294 so that it will be changed into 14. Same like in the second part, same in third part, but in fourth part, denominator is 1470 and here denominator is 294 and I want to change 294 into 1470. So in only last part we have to multiply. With what number 294 is multiplied to get 1470. And in first, second and third part, you have to check with what number you have to divide 294 to change into 14, minus 7 and minus 49. Understood? Same as like in question 8th. Write minus 14 upon 42 in the form so that numerator is equal to minus 2. Here numerator is, beta, minus 14. I want to change into minus 2. Greatest, numerator is greatest here. I want to change into smallest. So with what number you have to divide 14 so that it will be changed into 2. And here is 7 and here is 42. Now look, Here numerator is 14, here is 42. I want to change 14 into 42. So with what number is 14 multiply? So that it will be changed into 42. Clearly 14 multiply by minus 3. And here beta 70. You have to check with what number 14 is multiply to change it into 70. Understood? I hope you can easily solve these two parts. Yes, but your next question 9th. Select those rational number which can be written as a rational number with the numerator 6. With the numerator 6. We have given some rational number. We have to find the rational number which can be written as with the numerator 6. Now look at the first rational number 1.22. Here numerator is beta 1. Can I change 1 into 6? Yes. If 1 multiply by 6, then it will be changed into, numerator will be changed into 6. Okay. Similarly beta 22 multiply by 6. Okay. So numerator is 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. 12 and 1 carry 132. Now second rational number is beta 2.3. Now here numerator is 2. Can I change 2 into 3? Yes, definitely. 2 will multiply by 3. It will be changed into 6. And third rational number beta 3 by 4. Can I change 3 into 6? Yes. 3 multiply by 2. It will be changed into 6. And fourth rational number beta 4 upon minus 5. Can I change 4 into 6 by multiplication or division with any? No. I can't change 4 into 6. Can I change 5 into 6? No, it's not possible. Can I change minus 6 into 6? Yes. Minus 6 can be changed into 6. Minus 6. If I multiply minus 6 with the minus 1. Similarly 7 multiply minus 1. Minus minus plus. Now minus 6 change into 6. Clear? And last, can I change minus 7 into 8? No. Minus 7 cannot be changed into, can I change minus 7 into 6? No. Minus 7 cannot be changed into 6. So these are our rational numbers are. Which rational number can be written with the numerator 6? First is our 1 upon 22. Second is 2 upon 3. And then 3 upon 4. And then beta minus 6 upon 7. Only these rational number in the given numbers which can be written as with numerator 6. Understood beta? Yes beta, your next question is question 10th, same like the question 9th. Select those rational number which can be written as a rational number with denominator 4. Means we have given some rational number. We have to find the rational number which can be written as with the denominator 4. Now look at the denominator of every rational number. Now here beta in the first denominator is 8. Can I change 8 into 4? Yes, 8 divided by 2 it will be changed into 4. So first number is, and in second number denominator is 16. Can I change 16 into 4? Yes, definitely 16 divided by 4. 4 4s are 16. So it will be changed into 4. And can I change here in the third denominator is minus 12. Can I change minus 12 into 4? Yes, minus 12 can be changed into 4. If minus 12 divided by minus 3, it will be changed into 4. And in the next rational number, denominator is 17. Can I change 17 into 4? No, it is not possible. In the next, the denominator is minus 4. Can I change minus 4 into 4? Yes. If minus 4 is multiplied by minus 1, then it will be changed into 4. Okay. And in the next, the denominator is 7. Can I change 7 into 4? No, it's not possible. And in the last, the denominator is 8. Can I change 8 into 4? Yes, definitely 8 divided by 2, it will be changed into 4. So the rational number which can be written as with denominator 4 are, first is 7 upon 8, then 64 upon 16, and 36 upon minus 12, and 5 upon minus 4, and minus 7 upon 8. Understood beta? Here? Yes, but in question 10th, there was some problem in the statement. Okay, up to here it is same, and last number in the statement was 140 upon 28. Now can I change 28 into 4? Yes, definitely 28 can be changed into 4 if 28 divided by 7. So our last number is 140 upon 28. These are the rational number which can be written as with the denominator 4. Understood beta? Yes beta, last question of exercise 4.2, question 11th. In each of the following, find an equivalent form of the rational number having a common denominator. Our first part is 3.4 and 5.12. What is the question? The question is you have to return these two rational number with the same denominator. So first of all beta, find the LCM of 4 and 12. Clearly beta, LCM of 4 and 12 will be 12. Now change the denominator of every rational number into 12 as like the fraction. Can I change 4 into 12? Yes, if 4 multiply by 3. Similarly, with the same number you have to multiply numerator also. 3 multiply 3, 9 upon 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Now denominator of that number will be changed into 12, and denominator of this number is already in 12. Okay, so now these two numbers 9.12 and 5.12, now look, they are with the same denominator 12. Understood beta? First of all, find the LCM of the denominator and change the denominator of every rational number into the LCM. Then their denominator will become same. Understood beta? Yes beta. 11th question, third part. We have given the rational number. I want to change them with same denominator. So first of all, find the LCM of 7 of all the denominator. 7, 8, 14 and 21. I hope you can easily find the LCM. LCM will be beta 168. Now I want to change every denominator into 168. Now beta, how can I change 7 into 168? With what number I have to multiply 7 to get 68? You can check in your rough work with what number 7 multiply. You can check by division. I want to change 7 into 168. So 168 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 4s are 28. Now with what number I have to multiply 7? With 24. Understood beta? So 7 multiply by 24. With the same number you have to multiply 5 by 24. Understood beta? So 5 into 24 it will be 120. And 24 into 7 it is 168. Clear? Similarly in the second rational number 3 upon 8, I want to change 8 into 168. Same like here. Divide 168 by 8. Now 8 multiply. 8 2s are 16. 8 1 is 8. It will be 21. So 8 multiply by 21. It will be 168. Similarly 3 multiply by 21. Understood beta? 21 3s are 63 upon 168. Clear? and that number third 9 upon 14. Now beta look, I want to change 14 into 168, same like that. Okay, 168 divided by 14. If you divide 168 by 14, you will get 12. So 14 multiplied by 12. Similarly, 9 multiplied by 12. 12 nines are 108 and 14 multiplied by 12, it is 168. And our last number is beta 20 upon 21. I want to change 21 into 168. In that way you can check with what number 21 is multiplied to get 68. It is very easy. 21 8s are 168. So 21 multiplied by 8. 20 multiplied by with same number 8. 20 8s are 160 and 21 8s are 168. Understood? Now beta these numbers, look at these numbers, they have same denominator. Okay, first number is 120 upon 168. Second change into 63 upon 168. Third change into 108 upon 168, and fourth is change into 160 upon 168. Understood beta? In that way we can change. Okay, and only second part is beta pending of 11th question. You have to try second part by yourself. Second part is 2 upon 3, 7 upon 6 and 11 upon 12. Clear beta? This is all about the exercise 4.2. I hope you can solve the pending questions very easily by yourself. Thank you beta.